In today's video, we are going to discuss all things gold, more specifically, whether we're likely to see this breakdown that started on Monday continue, or if bulls can get it together and send gold higher. All right, hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So I've been out for a little while for the US holiday, a couple weeks ago, and then my son was out sick, and now my wife and I are sick. So really, it's just been kind of a whirlwind of events here over the past week or two. But I'm back, and we're talking about gold today, so let's go ahead and dig right in. So you guys will remember, if you've seen my recent videos over the past really, month or two, we were talking about this descending channel back here for gold. So we knew that the market was coming off of support down here. Obviously, we saw a very aggressive rally. We saw the pullback into support right around 1930. And since that time, we saw another very aggressive rally. Now, on Monday, we got something very, very significant for gold, and that was a new all-time high. This candle, this wick, was a new all-time high for gold. If we go to the, let's say, 5-day time frame to see this a little bit better, you can see that this wick up here clearly pierced the all-time high, the previous all-time high from back here in 2020. So now the million-dollar question is, do we get a continuation of Monday's reversal? Okay, because this candle obviously failed to close above 2075. It also failed to close above 2050. And the reason that's significant is if we go back here, you can see where this was the high from right here on this candle. It was also the closing price right through here, and also right before that breakout. So gold is now trading back below 2050 and also 2075 after Monday's rejection. Okay, now before we get into that, guys, if you do want to join our VIP group, I will put a link in the top of this video for 50% off lifetime access. So you're going to get lifetime access to daily videos, exclusive charts in the Discord group. I also share my trades in real time. Plus, I have a new video trading course coming out this month that's going to detail a new trading system that is never before seen. It's a brand new system, and it will be out within the next few weeks. So looking here at gold, guys, this is what it's going to come down to. All right, keeping things very, very simple. Obviously, we have an ascending channel here off of these lows. Okay, so if we use this channel in combination with what we know about this 2000 area, okay, because you can see that back here, this was a pivot for gold. All right, so right back here in this area, you can see where it was the high from right back here, this high, and so far today, we did get a retest as new support. Okay, so the key for gold over the coming days, again, keeping things very simple, is going to be, do we see the market bounce from here, reclaim levels like 2050 and 2075, okay, for that push higher up here into that wick, or do we get a sustained break below the 2000 area for a push down here into 1930? Because as of right now, Monday's candle is a bearish rejection of 2050 and 2075. But if we were to get a sustained break below 2000, okay, down here in this area, then that would indicate that this entire move is a fake out. And that alone, in my opinion, could send the market down here toward 1930, potentially even lower toward like 1900, 1890, 1850, levels like that over the coming weeks. All right, but it's all going to come down to 2000. You don't, in my opinion, want to short the market, while it's above 2000, just because this is a significant support for gold. The same thing with trying to buy gold, though, while it's below 2050 and 2075, right? I don't see the point in buying a market when it's holding below resistance and just printed a candle like Monday's. I also don't see the point in trying to sell a market that is holding above a level like 2000. All right, so short video today, but really, like I said, it's going to come down to, either a sustained break below 2000 down here for that move down toward 1930, potentially lower, or we get the reclaim of this area up here, in which case we're going to fill in this wick up toward potentially 2150. But as of right now, if I had to pick a side, just given Monday's rejection, we could see a retest up here in this area. But given this rejection candle, it does look like the market wants to move lower and capture some of that sell side liquidity that lies at 1930 and potentially even lower. All right, that's it for today's video. Once again, be sure to see the link in the description if you want to join our VIP group, exclusive charts, daily videos, and a course that's coming this month. I'll see you guys on the inside. Trade well this week, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.